Do you feel nervous when you have to speak English with a stranger? Maybe at a party, a coffee shop, or at work? Don't worry. That is called small talk, and it is a skill you can learn. Today, I am going to teach you exactly how to start, keep, and end a conversation in English. Let's go.
Section 1. Easy conversation starters. The hardest part is the first sentence. To start, look for something you both share in the moment. This is called the shared experience. If you are outside, talk about the weather. Repeat after us.
Beautiful day, isn't it? It's freezing today, don't you think? I hope the rain stops soon. Do you have an umbrella? If you are at an event, talk about the situation. Is this your first time at this conference? How do you know the host?
The food looks amazing. Have you tried the cake? If you are at a cafe, I love this song. Do you know the artist? That looks delicious. What are you drinking? But what if you are in other everyday places? Let's look at more examples.
At the office, instead of just saying, "Hi," try, "How is your morning going so far? Are you ready for the weekend? I like your notebook. Where did you get it?" At the supermarket, if the line is very long, you can say, "It's very busy today, isn't it?" Have you tried these apples before? Are they good?
At the gym, is anyone using this machine? That looks like a tough workout. How long have you been training? The secret to success. The secret is to keep it simple. You don't need big complicated words to be friendly. In fact, using simple English makes you more approachable.
Remember these three golden rules for starting. 1. The smile. Before you speak, smile. It tells the other person, "I am friendly and I am not a threat." 2. The proximity. Don't shout from across the room. Stand at a comfortable distance, about one arm's length. 3. The safe topics. In English culture, we usually start with safe topics. These are the weather, the location, or the activity you are doing. Avoid heavy topics like money, politics, or personal problems when you first meet someone.
Let's do a quick exercise. I will give you a situation, and I want you to think of a starter. Situation: you are waiting for a train. The train is 10 minutes late. What do you say to the person next to you? You have 10 seconds to think about it.
Did you say, "The train is late again, isn't it?" Or, "I hope it comes soon"? If yes, perfect. You are already making small talk. Section 2. Open versus closed questions.
Now let's talk about the engine of your conversation. Many students make a common mistake. They ask questions that only need a yes or no answer. These are closed questions. If you want a long, interesting conversation, you need open questions.
Think of a closed question, like a red light. It stops the movement. Think of an open question like a green light. It keeps the traffic flowing. 1. Why closed questions are conversation killers. Listen to this example of a bad conversation.
Do you like London?
Yes.
Is it your first time here?
No.
You. Silence. Awkward. Do you see the problem? You are working very hard, but the other person doesn't have to say anything. It feels like an interrogation, not a friendly chat. 2. The magic of the WH words. To fix this, we use the WH words. These words force the other person to give you details. Let's look at them one by one. Repeat the questions after me to practice your intonation.
Who? Who are you here with tonight? What? What brings you to this event? Where? Where did you grow up? When? When did you decide to move here? Why did you choose to study English? How? How do you like the food here?
Grammar. Tip. Notice that for open questions, we usually put the WH word at the very beginning, followed by the auxiliary verb do, did, are, is.
3. The transformation game. Let's practice changing closed questions into open ones. This is a great way to train your brain. Closed. Do you have a hobby? Yes/no. Open. What do you like to do in your free time? Why it's better. It asks for a list or a description.
Closed. Was your flight good? Yes, no. Open. How was your journey here? Why it's better. The person can tell you about the airport, the movie they watched, or the food on the plane. Closed. Do you live near here? Yes, no. Open. How do you like this neighborhood? Why it's better. It asks for an opinion, not just a location.
4. The tell me more technique. If you forget a WH word, don't panic. You can use a simple phrase to turn any statement into an open conversation. That phrase is, tell me more about that.
I work in marketing.
Oh, interesting. Tell me more about that. What kind of projects do you do?
Practice exercise, 1-minute challenge. I am going to show 3 closed questions on the screen. I will give you 10 seconds for each one. Try to change them into open questions out loud.
1. Is your job difficult? Better. What is the most challenging part of your job? 2. Do you like Italian food? Better. What is your favorite type of cuisine and why? 3. Are you staying at a hotel? Better. Where are you staying during your visit?
By using open questions, you show the other person that you are truly interested in them. People love to talk about themselves. If you ask the right questions, they will do 70% of the talking, and you just have to listen and smile.
Section 3. How to keep it going naturally. When someone asks you a question, use the answer plus add method. Never give a one-word answer. Example. Someone asks, where are you from? Don't just say, I'm from Paris. Say, I'm from Paris. It's very busy but beautiful. Have you ever been there?
By adding a detail in a question, you give the other person a gift to keep talking. Another tip, the echo technique. If someone says, I've been very busy with my new project, you can say, a new project? That sounds interesting. What is it about? Repeat the key word to show you are listening.
Section 4. How to politely end a conversation. Ending a conversation is just as important as starting one.
You don't want to be rude. Follow these 3 steps. 1. The signal. Use words like anyway, well, or so. 2. The reason, I should get going, or I need to grab some food. 3. The wish, it was great talking to you. Have a lovely evening. Example, anyway, it was really nice meeting you, but I have to find my friend. Enjoy the rest of the party.
Section 5. Real-life examples. Let's practice with two scenarios. Listen carefully. Scenario A at a bus stop.
The bus is late again today, isn't it?
Yes, it's the third time this week. Are you heading to the city center?
Yes, I'm going to work. How about you?
I'm going to the gym. Well, here is the bus. Have a good day.
Scenario B, at a work break.
I love your laptop sticker. Are you a fan of that show?
Oh, thanks. Yes, I've watched every episode. Do you watch it too?
I've seen a few episodes. What do you think of the ending?
It was crazy. Anyway, I have a meeting now. Let's talk more later.
If you're finding these tips helpful and you want to level up your social game, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this content is actually useful, and it helps more people discover these techniques.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I post new videos every week to help you navigate social situations, build confidence, and communicate like a pro.